A good blender is a must-have tool for any well-stocked kitchen, and the best blenders do a lot more than just puree. Many of today's blenders come decked out with features like digital displays, automatic load sensing technology, and extra accessories for seamless smoothie making and veggie chopping. While the added bells and whistles are nice, there are other factors to consider when choosing the best blender for you. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 blenders for making smoothies on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. NutriBullet ZNBF30500Z Blender Combo. The NutriBullet Blender Combo took everything fans loved from the original NutriBullet, a super-fast smoothie maker with convenient on-the-go lidded cups, and threw in a capable full-size blender that can tackle everyday tasks. We chose this as the best blender for people who enjoy making smoothies but want a blender that can handle larger jobs as well. The 1200-watt motor is quieter than other high-powered blenders, ideal for making early morning smoothies while others are still sleeping, and offers 3 different speeds plus a pulse function. The brand also claims that their blades, cups, and pitcher are specifically designed for optimal nutrition extraction, which enhances the quality of your food. Like other blenders on our list, the pitchers and cups are made of high-performance plastic that is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, but it's worth noting that the personal-size blade should be washed by hand. Total watts, 1,200, capacity, 64 ounces. Number 2. Ninja SS351 Foodie Power Blender. If you're looking for the convenience of combining a few appliances in one, the Ninja 3-in-1 Power Blender and Processor is a great choice. Not only can it function as a full-size blender and a food processor, it also mixes dough. The 3-in-1 design is a great choice for small kitchens, taking up less space than having multiple different appliances. And with its sleek design that includes a LED-lit control panel, you might want to give this blender a permanent home on your kitchen countertop. At 1,400 watts, it offers solid power that's comparable to other commercial-grade options on this list. And, just like other top-performing blenders, this model gives you a variable 10-speed control as well as 6 preset options for one-touch chopping, smoothies, bowls, dough, frozen drinks, and spreads. The 72-ounce pitcher on this blender is quite large, but cleanup is easy since the pitcher, locking lid, and blade attachment are all dishwasher safe. Number 3. Oster 6812-001 Core 16-speed blender. Oster is a trusted brand in kitchen appliances, and this model lives up to the Oster name. While it may not be the most extreme blender in terms of power, the 700-watt Classic Series 16-speed blender is a good entry-level kitchen tool that's capable of all the basics, making it our pick for the best blender on a budget. You get 16 speed settings, including pulse, puree, and chop, that are accessible from an easy-to-use control panel with one-touch controls. The 40-ounce glass blending jar, which gives off a 1950s retro aesthetic, is both shatterproof and dishwasher safe. It also comes with a 2-ounce filler cap with built-in markings to measure and pour ingredients while blending. Plus, an included 3-cup food chopper that's compatible with the blender base eliminates the need for a second appliance. An added bonus, Oster offers a generous 10-year, limited, warranty and a 3-year satisfaction guarantee. Number 4. Cuisinart CSB 179 Hand Blender. There are plenty of benefits to using an immersion blender, starting with the fact that it allows you to blend in the same pot or dish that you're using to prepare your recipe. This makes blending hot foods like soups much easier, not to mention safer, because you can leave everything on your stovetop versus transferring them into a blender jar. Immersion blenders are also ideal for blending smaller batches that don't always combine well in a full-size blender. The 300-watt Cuisinart Smart Stick Immersion Blender features variable speed settings that let you switch from low to high speed, making it perfect for emulsifying salad dressings, blending sauces, or even chopping nuts. This immersion blender was also designed with comfort in mind. It offers a lockable push-button control for continuous blending or pulse action, an 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft, and a comfort grip handle. Total watts, 300. Speed settings, low and high. Number 5. Vitamix Professional Series 750 Blender. Looking for a powerful blender that can easily create frozen treats, hot soups, nut butters, and salad dressings? Then we recommend splurging on this Vitamix blender. The 1640-watt blender is powerful, easily pulverizing fibrous vegetables, nuts, and seeds. In addition to 5 pre-programmed settings, the Vitamix Professional Series 750 blender also gives you variable speed control, a range from 1 to 10, and a pulse function so that you can easily tweak the texture of any recipe. The ultra-thick plastic jar holds up to 64 ounces, making it convenient to whip up larger batches of smoothies, soups, and frozen desserts for the whole family. It can also handle hot ingredients and even heat up mixtures. Many customers also love the self-cleaning function. Add a drop of dish soap and some water to the jar, and your Vitamix can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. Total watts, 1640. Capacity, 64 ounces. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.